Hi students, today we are going to discuss about joins in SQL. I know we already discussed it in the class, but according to your new syllabus, it's very important topics. That's why we have to again discuss it. So joins means combining two tables. There are three types of joins: cross join, equijoin and natural join. First we can see what is a cross join. Let us see one example. First one is cross join. Cross join means simply combine these two tables. Here two tables are there, patient and doctor. For doing this join concept, in our two tables should contain primary key and foreign key. In this first table, PID is primary key. In the second table, PID is foreign key. Then what is the syntax of cross join? Select star from patient, comma, doctor, semicolon. This is the syntax of doing cross join. Then what will be the output of this cross join? The output means here we have to combine the first row from first table and first row from second table, again first row from first table and second row from second table, again first row and third row, first row and fourth row. This is one result. Then again we have to combine second row from the first table and first row in the second table. Likewise we have to combine. This means this is cross join. So what will be our result? Our result should contain 6 columns: PID, name, sex, DID, PID, DName. So 1A, F, D1, 1, BC, 1A, F, D2, 2, AD, 1A, F, D3, 1, CE, 1A, F, D4, 3, BC. Again starts with the second row. Two B M D1 1 BC, 2 B M D2 2 AD, 2 B M D3 1 CE, 2 B M D4 3 BC. Again third row, 3 C F D1 1 BC, 3 C F D2 2 AD, 3 C F D3 1 CE, 3 C F D4 3 BC. This is PID, name, sex, DID, PID and DName. So this is the output of select star from patient, comma, doctor, or this is the output of cross join. So how many rows are here? Here 12 rows are there. 12 rows. This is cardinality. Here 6 columns are there. This is degree. So cardinality and degree both are very important concept. So cardinality of a cross join we can expect for your next exam. So cardinality means how many number of rows are there. Degree means how many columns are here. So here in your first table 3 rows and in your second table 4 rows. So total in your cross join result 12 rows are there. This is cardinality. In your first table, 3 columns are there. In your second table, the columns are there. So total 6 columns. This is your degree. So this is cross join. Then next one, equijoin. Equijoin means it is based on a condition. Condition means in your cross join result, which all rows have same PID and PID. Both the PIDs are same. That rows are the result of equijoin. So here we can check in this cross join result. Here these one and this one are same. So this should be the result of equijoin. Again this and this are again same. So this also the result of equijoin. Then here this and these are same. Again here these and these are same. So in your equijoin result there are 4 rows. PID, name, sex, DID, PID, D name. 1 A F D1 1 BC 1 A F D3 1 CE 2 B M D2 2 AD then 3 C F D4 3 BC. So this is your result of equijoin. Its cardinality means cardinality how many rows. So here 4 rows are there. Degree means how many columns. So here 6 columns are there. This is the result of equijoin. Then third one, natural join. Natural join means same as equijoin, but one difference is there. That difference is here 2 PID columns are here. In the natural join, we have to avoid that duplicate columns. So here one column should be removed. Instead of these 2 columns, here both columns are same. So instead of these 2 duplicate columns, we have to write only 1 column. That is the only difference between equijoin and natural join. All the others are same. So in your output, it should contain only 5 columns and 4 rows. So your natural join result is PID, name, sex, DID, D name. So 1 A F D1 BC 1 A F D3 CE 2 BM D2 2 AD 3 CF D4 BC. So this is the output of natural join. Here the cardinality is 4, degree is 5. So the difference is in this degree the number of rows, number of columns should be reduced by 1. That duplicate columns should be removed. That is the difference between natural join and equijoin. And the syntax of equijoin means, syntax of equijoin is select star from patient, comma, doctor, where patient dot PID is equal to doctor dot PID. Here this is the primary key of first table, this is the foreign key of second table. This is the syntax of equijoin, and another syntax is the select star from patient join doctor on patient dot PID is equal to doctor dot PID. This is another syntax. In this case of natural join, you can use, instead of here, you can use natural join. If you use simply join, that means it is equijoin. If you use natural join, that means natural join. Then you can watch the difference. In this case, it is not possible to use both equijoin and natural join, but according to this syntax, it is possible using this keyword. If you use simply join, it means it is equijoin. If you use natural join, it means it is natural join. Okay, think it is clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay.